Modern ovens, microwaves and combi ovens feature highly efficient insulation and layered door glazing. This leads to the retention of moisture, which aids the cooking process. Therefore, it's perfectly normal for condensation to appear in the cavity and between the door panes during and after use. Cooking produces moisture, particularly something like a large roast dinner, and this moisture may turn to condensation, which can condense on windows and, when vented, on other appliances or cupboards, particularly if they are cold. Food type, temperature, cooking function, and the length of cooking time can all impact the amount of water vapour produced. After use, and once the appliance has cooled, it's best to wipe up excess water in the cavity and on the door with a clean, dry cloth. You can also leave the door ajar to further aid the drying process. When using a microwave setting, loosely covering food will help to reduce splattering, speed up cooking time, and retain the moisture in the food, thus reducing condensation. Moisture between the panes of glass can occur if the cavity has been exposed to a lot of water vapour, but in most cases, this will naturally evaporate over time. Running the oven for a short time will also help to clear it. Most oven doors can be removed and the panels cleaned. You'll find guidance on how to do this in our guide, How to Clean Your Glass Oven Door. However, for safety reasons, doors on microwaves and combination microwave ovens cannot be detached and should only be removed by an authorised technician. Due to how ovens vent, compact ovens that are positioned above steam ovens may also show condensation even if not in use. In some cases, you may find that water is pooling or running down your oven doors, particularly if there is a lot of moisture in your cooking or your kitchen is particularly cold or humid. If the amount of water or condensation seems excessive, we recommend contacting our consumer care team, who will be happy to help.